Hey everybody, it's Dave with Binary Options Agency. We're back at the Epix Trader trading platform, ready for actually our full day of trading, our first full day. So we've done some videos where we did an overview and we actually walked you through the tutorial. If you haven't seen that, we encourage you to go back. We hope that you've subscribed to our YouTube channel so you can continue to get updates as we do this. Our goal is to really make you feel comfortable with Epix Trader. We find it to be an exciting new software that is helping lots of people profit. I mean, we've checked out a lot of reviews, there's a lot of good stuff online. So we would ask that you go ahead and click the link below. There's a binary options version of Epix Trader and a Forex version. As we've said, we're going to work on the binary options version ourselves. But go ahead and click on that link below and go ahead and register. It's free. You will have to deposit with a broker if you would like to go ahead and sync the Epix Trader account up. There's been no reported problems. Everybody seems to be enjoying it so far. And let's explain why. So first, you can see here our account balance is $288.75. When we did the one tutorial trade that we explained yesterday, we showed you how that worked. This morning what we decided to do is take another trade. Just to kind of get ourselves warmed up before we went ahead and did the video. That was AUD USD in that one as well. So we're 288.75. We're ready to go. We're going to start placing some trades. What we want to do with each of our videos, because there's so much cool stuff in the Epix Trader platform, we're going to kind of throw a little tutorial in with each and every one. So we're going to do a trade. We're going to do some trades, but we're also going to kind of talk with you a little bit about what is really neat with the Epix Trader. So here you see the platform, and what you see is 4 different possible trades. Now, what's really nice is with each trade, you can see that it explains to you, they calculate the win rate. So the algorithm is constantly working. First bit of advice, always check the time. So you see right here, this says trade before April 21st. That's a long-term trade. There's nothing wrong with long-term trades, but if you think that you're going to get in and out on a short-term trade because you just happen to see this particular asset pair available, that's not always the case. Most of them are going to be shorter-term trades, but they obviously do throw in some long-term trades. So what we're going to do to get things started is we're going to show you how things work. So we're going to we choose. You want to click on the asset pair that you want to trade. So we're not going to do Euro JPY. We're going to try NZD JPY. Now check this out down here at the bottom. You see how this is actually calculating this up? This is going to tell us the probability that it's going to win. And you know what? It's actually refreshing because this says, hey, you know what? We like this one, but there's only a 63% chance of winning. Well, you know what? I don't know if that's good enough for us. Let's go over here to AUD CAD and see what they say that is going to be. So as you see, we'll move ourselves out of the way here. It's a shorter term trade, and it says it's going to be a call, and we need to get in before 1550. 87% probability of win rate. So we like that. So all you've got to do to place a trade is put in the amount. Now $25 is the minimum amount. You're going to click on the trade button, and then it gives you a screen where it really wants you to verify. So you can see, make sure this matches up, call, and it was a call over there. We can place a trade. All right, so we got the AUD CAD trade in there. There's one more that shows Euro NZD. Let's go down here and see what the win rate calculator tells us it's going to look like. Hopefully we can get in this trade as well. Now it says 67%, but we're going to go ahead and place this trade, and then we'll see exactly how we have these 2 trades in and what other opportunities that we have. Okay, so we have that trade in as well. You can see our 2 active trades that we have, both $25 trades. All right, so if you actually wanted to just go here and take a look at the open positions, you'll see those 2 trades that we took when we got in them and when they expire. So we still have probably 3 hours to go on this one and maybe 7 hours to go on this one, but we do have 2 open trades. and we will continue to look for some others throughout the day. Hey everybody, it's Dave. I want to give you a quick update on the trades that we placed earlier. One of them has finished and one of them is still going. There were a few other trading opportunities that came along that we took, and we see one that we may take here. We're going to take a look at the silver one, but we won't do that until we go through all of our trading history of the day. So you can see our account balance 341.25. That's a good sign. Everything looks like we are profiting pretty well. And we can go down here and you'll see the trading history. This would be just today. The Euro NZD is the one that we placed in this video, but we did have USD, JPY, the ADCHF, and Euro USD pop up. Those have all finished, and fortunately they're all in the money, so that's great. AUD CAD is still running. And one thing that we neglected to tell you is just a little bit of an oversight is you can check your trading history right at your broker as well. The Binary Online is our broker, so you will have an account, and you can go there and you can check under the expired positions if you want. Oops, you can see all the stuff that we have so far, dating right back to yesterday. There was that first trade we did yesterday, trade we did this morning. Then when we started in, we did the Euro NZD. That trade won, and here are all the wins. So you have all the details right here on your broker. Another cool thing, though, you can go back over here at the broker. They will have closed positions. They'll have a detailed account as well. So you can see all the expiry and everything that happened right there on the Epix Trader. We usually just stay right at the Epix Trader. We don't really bounce back and forth to the broker because it's just so convenient. With this Epix Trader software, you can do everything right there on that platform. So as you can see, rather than go back to here and back and forth, we can just make all of the trades. And in fact, we can go right here, and if you want to see the open positions on the Epix Trader, you can see we have the AUD CAD. But if we want to go over here, we could also do this at Binary Online and see. You can see this one still has a little bit of time left to go, and it's a little bit out of the money. Alright, so before we wrap this video up, what we want to do is go ahead and take one last look at these trades. We mentioned the silver trade. We're going to go ahead and we're going to check that one out. So this will be one last review for you. So what you see right here is you see silver. You're going to click on that, and it will calculate the probability that it will win based on the algorithm used at Epix Trader. It's 91% win rate. That's really strong, so we're definitely going to jump in this. Okay, it's really simple. One last time. You want up $25. That's the minimum amount. You want to go ahead. You want to put that in for your trade. You click that on. It's going to give you a confirmation where you need to push the trade button, and then once the trade is taken, it will show you that it has been confirmed and you're all set. So we can scroll down here just to confirm. You see that we got in the silver trade. $25. We could actually go up here if we wanted, and you can see the rate that we got in, the time we got in, and it is going to expire at 1400. So we have about an hour for this one to go. We're going to wrap this video up. Here's what we'd ask you to do. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we're going to pick this up in tomorrow's trading session right at the beginning. We'll show you how these two do. Now what we can tell you is that if both of these trades tie right now, and that means we get our $25 back. You add $50 to our account. That's going to put us at $366.25, which is $116.25 profit. Okay, we believe that both these trades, we hope that both these trades are going to finish in the money. If they do, our profit will be probably about $40 more. If they don't, our profit still is $66.25. We're happy with that. We think it's going to be higher, however. And tomorrow we're going to pick up right where we left off with some additional trades.